Even though it has become more popular recently, not everyone knows about ghee, which is a rich source of vitamins and acids that are good for your health. Ghee belongs to a special kind of butter. Milk solids caramelize and are eliminated when butter is cooked. Ghee is the concentrated byproduct of only pure fats. It tastes distinctly nutty and is removed of any milk proteins, sugars, or water. It contains a lot of vitamins and fatty acids, both saturated and unsaturated. It is one of the foods with the greatest concentrations of butyric acid. Additionally, omega-3 and 9 were abundant. Ghee must be used moderately, no more than 3 or 4 teaspoons daily, like butter. Ghee in excess might have negative effects. In today's video, we will go over 8 health benefits of eating ghee. 1. Immunity booster. Vitamin A, which is abundant in ghee, helps in the body's elimination of free radicals. The immune system's normal operation is another function of vitamin A. Vitamin A is also a powerful antioxidant that may help protect against some conditions, such as ulcerative colitis, which could lead to colon cancer if not treated. 2. Strengthens bones. One of the few foods high in vitamin K, particularly vitamin K2, is ghee. In order for the body to utilize minerals like calcium, vitamin K2 is crucial. In actuality, this potent vitamin builds bones more efficiently than calcium. At the right levels, it can also prevent tooth decay. Ghee also aids in maintaining flexibility by lubricating connective tissues and joints. 3. High smoking point. Ghee has a higher smoking point during processing than coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil. This means that it won't make free radicals when the temperature gets to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. These free radicals are unstable chemicals that wreak havoc on our body, causing anything from cancer to premature aging. So there is very little chance of ingesting those free radicals when you take ghee. 4. Increases energy. Since specialists advise using ghee as a reliable energy source for athletes, perhaps we ought to follow their lead. The liver swiftly breaks down the ghee's fatty acids so that they may be used as fuel. Ghee aids in the body's absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, including A, D, E, and K, which increase stamina in addition to boosting metabolism and energy levels. 5. Reduces inflammation. Butyric acid is one of the essential fatty acids that the body needs to fight inflammation, especially in the gastrointestinal tract. Ghee should be a part of the diet of anyone with ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease, or another inflammatory bowel condition. Ayurveda also says that applying ghee gently to sore joints helps reduce inflammation, lubricate joints, and ease stiffness caused by arthritis. 6. Enhances the digestive system. People with unhealthy digestive systems don't normally create butyric acid, according to a 2000 study. It is important to eat foods that are high in butyric acid because digestion is a key part of overall health. This acid helps the mucosal walls heal, feeds the cells in the intestines, and slows the flow of undigested food particles out of the body. 7. Healthier skin. Dry skin makes you age faster and gives you wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. The natural qualities of ghee can keep skin hydrated for a very long time. It can go deep into the skin to keep it hydrated. 8. Improves eye health. Vitamin A is on the list because it can improve eye health and protect against a number of eye-related health problems. This potent antioxidant helps get rid of and combat free radicals that harm macular cells. This makes it less likely that macular degeneration and cataracts will happen. The fatty acid in ghee helps the body take in this important vitamin and other nutrients. The following is how to use ghee. Gently massage your skin with a tiny amount of warm ghee once it has reached a comfortable temperature. Massage for 10 minutes. Wait 10 minutes before getting in the shower. Daily application of this technique will result in long-lasting, radiant skin. Apply a thin film and let it sit overnight to cure chapped lips. Ghee keeps fresh for years, even when left out of the refrigerator. Lactose-intolerant individuals can safely consume ghee because the milk particles were removed during the preparation process. For those looking for an alternative to butter, ghee is a great option. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe to the channel for more advice and recipes.